Hello everyone. We are launching our new AI application challenge. This is a little different from a hackathon wherein we will be going through various checkpoints to make sure that the people who join they go through the complete end-to-end process of ideation till submitting their final application and a demo, and there are some materials and resources for them to help along the way. So this is different from a hackathon where a business gives a specific challenge, a specific GitHub repo where you need to solve a problem. This is not like that. Here, a person is flexible to build any type of application that is powered by AI or any model, and we are having two paths for people who are interested to build any simple application and showcase their skills in a more professional manner. Quickly sharing with you how this challenge looks like. This is the website. If you go to decodingdatascience.com/AI challenge, this is the website with which you can go and look into this specific case. This is a challenge which has 8 checkpoints. We have kept a small fee to filter out the serious people out there. So we have it for 8 days. It's going to start on the 28th of September, that is Saturday, 9 o'clock, and October 6th, 12 p.m. night, and all the time are in GST, Gulf Standard Time, as we are based from the UAE. The purpose of this is building an AI application channel, uh, application which can be used for any businesses, any use case, AI for good initiative, anything depending upon the learner. One more thing is that this challenge is at an individual level. No teams are there. You have to participate as one person. If you have 3 4 people, you can work together, but everyone will be building a similar will be having a separate account and building something that is unique to them. They can take help in a group, but build something on your own, or at least do the same steps. Even if you are building the same product, one person, four, 3 people, you can learn, work together. But when you're submitting, submit your own work or your own prototype or something that you have done. The winner, we are having two winners. We are giving them 3,000 worth scholarship for our AI residency program. You all know about AI residency. The link will be on the comment below for you to know more, plus $500 cloud credit for you to scale your application and add more agents and all those things that you have. So this is what we have. We have daily checkpoint. This is something very different from normal hackathons, where we have done a couple of hackathons where we just introduce the challenge and then the people are able to work on it and give a solution in next 2 3 days without much of guidance. But here it is more guided. There are daily checkpoints for everyone to complete their checkpoints and track it. That is there. Initially we had one path, but I made it open because we have a lot of non-data scientists, non-analytics professional also participating. So we have one model building path, which where you have end-to-end AI model from scratch. You can build a simple linear regression, logistic regression, or any other model that you have, computer vision model, put it in your application and showcase that. And the second one is your LLM and API integration path, wherein you have an API, the one that we are teaching mostly in the AI engineering, where you have any open AI API or Grok API, you use it to build a AI application that solves a problem. It can be related to images, videos, or even text. So this is the two paths that you can choose. You have to do it on the first day. And I told you the good thing about this is we are promoting more women and ladies and young girls to take part in this, and we are giving one prize specifically to the women and one prize to the men. So we are keeping the diversity, and we want to encourage more women in the data science and AI workforce. And how we have to do it, you have to sign up, do it now. There is an early bird price we have, we are going to increase it very soon, and this is a launch price. Plus we have two judges we have confirmed right now. Mohammed Al Mari, he's from Abu Dhabi, he works in the statistical department, and Michael, who is the CTO of Falcons .ai. You can just register now. We'll be putting you all in a group and start discussing what are the next steps that are there. So to see the checkpoints, as you can see, day one, day two, and day, day three. These are some of the checkpoints that are there that you can take care of, and you can do the final submission. More in the next video. Do like and subscribe, and see you soon in the challenge.